Hello children, this is class 3. Today we will see the English recap of chapter 5, The Wise Minister. This is a story about a very clever and wise minister of a king named Chatur, who has great powers of observation. As he named, he was very clever and observed things very well. The king come to the conclusion that Chatur can read human minds. But Chatur always protested that he could not read minds. One day the king go for a ride with Chatur for testing him that Chatur can read minds or not. While riding, Chatur and king come into the nearby forest and saw a man. Then the king asked lots of things about the man. Chatur gave all the right information about the man due to his power of observation. Then the king realized his ability of observation and cleverness. Now come to the question time. Question A. Children, here you have to write true or false according to the story. Next, fill in the blanks. Here you fill the blanks with the help of the given words. Next, word in use. Children, as you know, every person doing some special and specific work. It has some special words. These words are called job or profession of a person. Just like that a king rules a country. Children, here you have to match the people with what they do. Next, grammar in use. Children, we have already learned that tense in previous class. Tense has three forms: present tense, past tense and future tense. Here the simple present tense is also used to talk about things that are true in general, that is used to the first form of the verb with I, you, we, they, but add s or es to the first form of the verb he, she, it or a singular noun. Now take the correct forms of the verb. Here the sentence are in simple present tense. You have to see singular or plural and then you will select the verb. Children, here in the first sentence, Adi love or loves ice cream. He like or likes chocolates flavor the most. Here Adi and he is singular. So the verb we will Adi loves and he likes. So children, do the rest like this. Next, present continuous tense. It is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Present continuous tense is formed am, is, are before the first form of the verb after adding ing to it. Now fill in the blanks. Children, here you fill with the ing form of the given words and complete the sentence. Next, simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express an action complete in the past. We generally adding ed to the verb to make its past, or some verb is changed completely, as you can see the verb table. Now fill in the blanks. Children, here you have to change the verbs to its simple past tense and complete the sentence. Next, simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express an action that takes place in the future time. It is formed by using will with the base form of a verb. Now change these sentences into simple future. As you can see, first sentence, we went to Agra on Sunday. Here you have to change went into will plus base verb or V1 means we will go to Agra on Sunday. Children, do the rest. Okay. You revise this chapter nicely. That's all for today. Thank you.